As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
So I'm looking at these two Char-Broil grills, the Grill2Go X200 and the Performance 4-burner. Big difference in size, right?
Huge. The Grill2Go is this little portable thing, and the Performance is a full-sized cart grill. What are you planning to use it for?
Well, I want something for tailgating and camping, but also for occasional backyard grilling.
Okay. Then the Grill2Go makes sense for portability. It only weighs 20 pounds and has a latching lid. The Performance is 78 pounds. Definitely not something you're tossing in the trunk easily.
Yeah, that's a big difference. What about cooking space? The Grill2Go seems small.
It is smaller, with 200 square inches. The Performance has 435 square inches, plus a warming rack. You could cook for a crowd on that thing.
Okay, good point. What about power? I want something that gets hot enough to sear steaks.
The Grill2Go has a 9,500 BTU burner, which is surprisingly powerful for its size, thanks to the TRU infrared cooking system. The Performance has 32,000 BTUs across 4 burners and a 10,000 BTU side burner, so more overall power, but distributed. One customer review noted the Grill2Go runs at and may require some experience to mitigate the heat.
A side burner would be handy for sauces. What about the grates? Are they easy to clean?
The Grill2Go has stainless steel grates. The Performance has porcelain-coated cast iron grates, which are rust-resistant and non-stick, and are easy to clean.
And what about ignition? I hate messing with lighters.
Both have push-button electronic ignition. The Grill2Go's is tucked away, which may protect it from damage. The Performance requires one AAA battery, which is included, so it's ready to go.
Okay, this is helpful. One last thing. Price.
The Grill2Go is around $150 on sale, while the Performance is about $400.
Ouch! So it really comes down to portability versus cooking space and features.
Exactly. If you prioritize taking it on the road, the Grill2Go is your best bet. If you need to feed a lot of people at home, the Performance is the way to go. It has the extra cooking area and a side burner.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.